How to use Huobi API for automated trading. First of all, launch your preferred browser and open the Huobi website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to API Management under your account settings. Here you will see two options: System Generated and Self-Generated API Keys. The system-generated API automatically creates an API key and secret key for you with default permissions, making it fast and secure for standard trading operations. On the other hand, the self-generated API allows you to manually create an API key, assign specific permissions, set IP restrictions, and customize settings according to your needs. Once your API key and secret key are generated, integrate them into your trading bot or automated trading software. Make sure to assign proper permissions based on your needs, such as reading account info, placing orders, or accessing market data. Test your API integration with small trades or in sandbox mode to ensure everything works correctly. For security, never share your secret key, enable IP whitelisting, and turn on two-factor authentication for extra protection. Now you know how to set up and use the Huobi API for automated trading. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.